All right, y'all. So we are live on YouTube and TikTok doing some charting. I'm about to get my analysis for the day. So here we go. I always do it on TradingView. And it's going to be really simple. If y'all are having a hard time seeing this, just go to YouTube. I'm live on YouTube. The link is in the bio. Okay. All right, let's see. So start with. I always start with the daily. Let me get this coffee going, y'all. All right, but I always start on the daily, and I'm looking for an SMT right off the bat or unfilled gaps. Okay. So no unfilled gaps. But let's mark out highs and lows then. But I'm marking out unfilled gaps, highs and lows, and then areas of possible support resistance. So obviously, you have this up here, but that it's way too far away. But I'll still mark it anyways. So this is what Nasdaq looks like, and then we're gonna do the same thing on ES. And again, if you're having trouble seeing this, just go over to YouTube, link in bio, subscribe there. I'm trying to get paid today, y'all. And I wonder if we took out those equal lows because I was watching these equal lows yesterday. All right. Move up, move down. That's a high. Move up, move down. That's a high. So I don't really see anything on the daily yet. Go to the 4 hour. 4 hours where I really get my structure. All right, so we have a gap here. Everything else is really far away. Four-hour gap here. Asia highs. Okay, let's go to that one. So the 4 hour is bullish. And 1 hour consolidation, y'all. All this consolidation. Don't like this 1 hour at all. We have a 1 hour gap here. That would be cool to get above. Man, we got a lot of lows down here too. Let me check that 15-minute. Hold on. No, we still left the equal lows. I'll make that green. That's a good target there. So I'm liking these equal lows that we have on NASDAQ. And then did we take out the CPI news candle yet? No, we're going for the high now. So maybe we hit that high and then turn around and go book these equal lows plus all this lower liquidity on ES. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, we got a lot of resting liquidity under here inside this 4 hour and 1 hour gap. So maybe we go take out the news candle high, which is, where's it at? Yeah, that one. So I'm gonna mark that data wick high, and we'll see if we take it. So now I'm gonna go to Top Step and look for a trade. And I am watching TradingView on my top screen. So we've already taken that. Have we taken it on? No. Oh, we've taken it on Nasdaq. We took the news candle wick on Nasdaq, but not ES. So, but that right there was the news candle wick, and we have equal lows right here. So can we go down and get these equal lows? But they're on the 15-minute. What about the 30? Yeah, they're still on the 30, so they might matter. And we'll see if we can get that rotation down. But 4 hours straight up bullish, y'all. There's just no way around that. All right. For anyone watching, I am going to be moving strictly to YouTube. So go to the YouTube. I might leave this here for just a little longer. Okay. All right, y'all, go to YouTube. If y'all want to keep watching, just go to the link in the bio for the YouTube. I will live stream on YouTube. Once again, if you want to keep watching, go to YouTube. Link in the bio. Oh. Get some music. Okay, here we go. Okay. Let's see what we can do. All right, y'all. So we're just sitting in consolidation right now. Okay, there you go. All right. Have we manipulated any lows yet? Not really. Actually, yes. We have a small SMT. We manipulated this low on ES. And then did we break structure on the 5? Yep. Well, I want to be bullish, but I want to see if we can get a pullback. And then London manipulated Asia. Wow. Straight up this morning. I'm just concentrating, yo. I'm looking at previous day low and London low being stacked up with these equal lows. So the thing is, we don't know what market's going to do. We're just trying to see if we can sweep some obvious liquidity and get a break structure and some continuation confluences. I'm just seeing the SMT right now. So can we use this SMT to move down, take out London low, previous day low, equal lows? Maybe. Is there any more news today? No. So we just took out that news data wick on ES, and we still have this SMT. And we have a bullish SMT. We have both bullish and bearish. Hmm. See if we inverse this to these Asia highs. And we're holding 5 minute. Ten seconds. No inversion, so no trade. All right, just swept out. Well, no. We have a bullish SMT on the 1 minute now. It might take this long up to those highs if it inverses. Still no inverse. We might be reversing off a sweep in the high. All right, maybe we're getting a reversal. So I just thought we would take the London high or the Asia high since they're right there. Whoops. And we are respecting that 1 hour gap. So we're inside this 15-minute gap. We've completely inversed it now. This looks bad, yo. Looks terrible. Gotta be patient. I mean, I still kind of like the longs. If you look at support resistance, this is old resistance turn support, possibly. I All right. I might take this inversion back up to these Asia highs. Did we pull into equilibrium? Yes. Well, if it moves too much, that would be a problem. Dang. Kind of a tough day. I'm not really seeing too much at the moment. We did fill this 15-minute gap. And we have that bullish SMT. But ES is in a complete chop fest. Very difficult read. We're holding this bullish structure on the one. I just don't like it so far. And there's no imbalance on this entire leg. Well, there is one right here. So if we inverse that, I'll go long. Thinking about trying this. Except we still have potential to reverse. 15 minutes holding that gap. NASDAQ 15-minute held. We're still inside this 1 hour gap. We're still respecting it. So I do not like that. I'm probably going to be hands off because of that. Let's try off that inverse. See if we can get a run up. I'm going to have to go break even on this one quick, though. As soon as we take out that high, I'll move to break even. All right, break even. Holy shit. I'm going to trim. Trimmed one. Perfect. And then we should go run Asia high. Risk-free trade, secured some. We'll do one to sell two. That's next TP, Asia high. See if this thing runs. Very cool. Should go pop up and take the Asia high. Also, if you want to buy my book on chart reading, I'm going to try to get this link in my bio. But it has pictures if you can't read. All right, let's see if we can go take the Asia high. Once we take out Asia high, I'll move my other stop up a little bit more. Perfect. Secured. Wow. All right. Come on. How far is this going to go? 500. Let's go, baby. Perfect. All right. Let's go. Solid day. Perfect. All right, y'all. If you enjoyed watching this, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in every morning. But all right, y'all. Peace. 500 on the day, 1,000 away from passing.